So these are some saddlebags that I recently got online, and there's quite a few different shops selling these, and I thought I'd show you what they look like, what you get. And it was all actually really compact, fit into this tiny little plastic bag, flattened down. And I've just kind of assembled everything. I need to put it onto my bike obviously, but double zip Velcro here, bit of plastic down at the bottom to help it hold its shape. It is a little bent, but it doesn't matter, it does the trick. Couple little pockets here on the inside as well. There is an inner pocket right there. Okay, and basically just hold that, pull this across, even one-handed it's fine, close it up. I like how it's just, no branding or anything on it, so pretty low key. Took me a little while, there wasn't any instructions on how to assemble it, and hopefully I've done it correctly. We'll see how we go on the bike, but a couple of buckles here connecting both sides of the bags. There's a Velcro, bit of Velcro here as well, connecting the two bags together. And you have these little sections at the bottom where you attach what I think are these clips and areas where I can hook it onto my bike. There's also this other connector. Maybe I can just use that underneath the seat and hook in the front part of the bag. I'm not sure. We'll see how we go. But yeah, both of the bags are identical, and they're expandable as well. Outer pocket. I don't know if there's one on that side. No, just some reflective material. There's a reflective material here on the side as well, underneath. But yeah, you have this section here that you unzip, and it actually expands out. Oop, caught a little bit there, but yeah, as you can see, kind of expands out. Give you some extra room if you're taking a longer trip. You need that extra luggage space. Yeah, it's actually pretty decent. The stitching isn't exactly perfect, as you can see. There's little bits of thread hadn't been kind of cut off there as well, so I'll clean that up. But looks like there's these little, not sure what these are. Other sections that you can maybe hook the bags onto. But you also get these covers here. The bags are apparently waterproof themselves, so maybe these are just, as an extra precaution or storage. I don't know. I haven't tested whether they are 100% waterproof or not, but for the price that you pay, pretty decent. Of course, you get these little fraying bits. That's what I don't like about it. It's not as polished as some of the more expensive saddlebags that you get out there, but I'll put it on my bike and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so here's what it looks like installed on my MT-03. There's probably a more efficient way to do this, but yeah, look, it works. A couple of the straps going around the back here, a bunch of them over the top. Good thing is that the bags don't move past a certain point. Okay, nowhere near the exhaust as well. The back of the bike has this almost triangular shape, so it's wider around the base of the pillion seat, and so the bags kind of flare out to the side a touch. The only issue I have here is the pillion seat. If you've got anyone sitting on the back, this is going to be a little bit uncomfortable because you've got you've got the buckles and stuff running underneath there. Yeah, I'll have to figure out maybe a way to put it just underneath the seat, if that's even possible. But that's it.